How's it going, everybody? So I just picked up a new chainsaw. I just ran about 3 tanks of gas through it, so it should be all broken in. I know they said to run the engine under full RPM until it's broken in, so that's what I did. Seems to cut pretty well. A lot of power for a 33cc motor. It is the Poulan PL3314 model. I got it from Lowe's for 125 bucks after tax. Pretty good deal. I know I have run home lights and steels and everything else throughout my life, so you know, hands down, those are probably the best brands out there, but I decided to pick this one up just as a small saw for cutting firewood. I'm currently camping at the moment at a seasonal campsite. So 14-inch bar. It's a little guy. They had one that was a step up and then another bigger one, but I decided to go with this one. Really nice looking, green and black. Got your lock here, nice and solid. Kill switch. Got your choke, automatic choke, so when it fires up, just hit the trigger and it goes right back in. They do give you directions here. Honestly, it started up from the 3rd pull since I got it. And after it's warmed up, 1st pull every single time. For the chain adjuster, it's just your standard 2 bolts and then the screw to tighten up the chain. So far to spec, it hasn't loosened up much. I haven't even had to tighten it yet, which I'm surprised. The cover is held on by 3 Torx screws. This comes off, and then you've got your air filter underneath here, spark plug, everything else really easy to access. Gas and chain oil. Got your little primer bulb right here, nice and out in the open, user friendly. Also, they have the carb adjustments here. Haven't had to touch those at all. I did increase the idle speed a little bit because it was on the low side from the factory, but it seems to be running fine now. Honestly, I don't know what everybody's talking about online. A lot of people say that these saws are absolute shit, but so far I haven't had any problems with it. I don't know, people are complaining about problems out of the box, won't start, won't run. If you know how to operate power tools, this seems to be a great little saw, so I highly recommend it. I've been cutting up some slab wood just to break it in. There's a bunch of free slab wood over here from this lumber company, and people were taking it for firewood, so I cut up a bunch of small stuff, and now we're gonna rev it up and see how it takes on something a little bit bigger than it's supposed to handle. So as you can see, this is a pretty big log. I'll hold the saw up to it. It is longer than the blade, that's for sure. So we're gonna give it a test, see how it does, and hopefully it gets through it. I'm sure it will. Find a spot for the camera here. Just bear with me. All right. See how it does. there you have it, guys. Big piece of wood, small saw, went right through it. Thanks for watching.